Hi guys, I am Patrick Tosh, Shiseido's global color artist.
And I am
the Desi Perkins.
We are here today to film this beautiful eye look.
I wanted to do a smoky eye that wasn't too much, so it's like a nice soft brown with just super golden skin, and we paired it with a really just beautiful voluminous lip.
You know, I also feel like this smoky eye is perfect for any eye color too, because it's the right tone where it'll make green eyes pop, blue eyes pop, hazel, brown.
Your eyes.
Yes. So we've partnered with Shiseido today to do this look for you guys using a lot of the products from their new collection.
The new.
The new. So let's go ahead and get started.
So I'm starting off with the Miyuki Street Nude. I'm using this matte shade using the FUDE brush. And we're gonna put this just right into the crease and slowly just building the pigment up. This product is really buildable. Depending on how much color you want or how much depth you want, you can really just slowly build the product up. This brush has a little angle on it. I'm just using the tip of it and just to slowly just bring that color into the crease. I feel like you are the queen of blending, so
I
think
goodness.
you need to like help me along the way.
Yeah, right.
So I'm just mixing a little bit of the matte and this darker brown and just putting it just right into the crease, and really I'm just like blending this product all across the eyelid. So now I'm using this darker shade, and I'm gonna be using the flat point on this.
Okay.
And I really just wanna pack this product just right onto the eyelids. I feel like you haven't done like a crazy smoky eye in a while.
Are you trying to say...
I'm trying to come for you.
Are you trying to comfort me right now?
I'm coming for you on your own YouTube channel.
Oh my goodness. Do you guys see this?
No, I feel like I'm your number one viewer.
Competitor right now?
No, your number one viewer.
I feel like you're coming for me.
I watch all
He
your
knows.
videos.
So you need to text me and be like, okay, you need this type of look now. Well, you're giving it to me right now, so.
You really just want to just pack this product just right onto the whole entire eyelid. But it definitely has a little bit of a shimmer, but it's a very subtle baby shimmer. I put like a couple layers just so I really want to make sure that the pigment is on and there. So in photography, when flash hits your eyelids,
there's no gaps.
There's no gaps.
Oh yeah, I see what you're saying. Pack it, build it.
Set it and forget it.
Set it, forget it.
Now I'm going to be using the MicroLiner Ink. So this is a crayon that has a really, really fine tip. So I'm going to put this just right into the waterline. So I'm going to have you look up for me.
Here we go.
Here we go, don't cry.
I'm not a baby.
So I'm putting this just right onto the lash line and really just tight lining it.
So thin.
It's so thin. So if you want that nice, precise line, this is the product for you.
I'm starting to feel a little sassy.
Oh, you were sassy
from the.
You were sassy the moment you sat down. I don't know you started.
I was flipping my inches around, huh?
I was telling Desi that this hair has changed her life. She's a whole new woman in person, a whole new woman on the gram. So now I'm gonna take the HAKE brush. I'm just gonna smudge that micro ink liner out so everything looks nice and diffused. And you don't want to bring the product too far down because we are still going to put foundation, concealer, and all that jazz. But I just really want to just blend out this product before it dries and it sets in place, because once it dries, it's there and it's not going anywhere. I'm also going to put a little bit of this product just right on the lash line as well, just so everything looks nice and dramatic.
Bring on the drama, baby.
I'm gonna take the Hanatsubaki Street Nightlife in 06, and I'm gonna take
those
this.
Are pretty.
They are pretty, right? I'm gonna take this black matte shade using the HAKE brush, and I'm gonna put this just right on the lash line to add a little bit more depth and a little bit more drama, and just to kind of even like wing out the eyeshadow just a tiny bit.
Are you gonna make me look like Gigi Hadid, or no?
She doesn't like to wear smoky eyes.
Well, she doesn't have to. She's so pretty.
You need to film a tutorial with her for her.
Let me call her real quick. Gigi?
Are you there?
Hi. Can you come over to my house?
Yeah.
To film with me? She said yeah.
So I'm putting this just right on the outer part of the lash line. This is one of my favorite products from the Shiseido collection just because I love the bristles. This is the Imperial Lash Mascara Ink that's waterproof. Really great because the bristles, it's a full dome-shaped bristle brush that has like little spikes in it so you can get your bottom lashes if you have those baby lashes. If you also really want that extra drama, and it is waterproof, so it's really great that this product will last you all day long without flaking and it won't get everywhere.
Love it.
I'm gonna pop a lash on really quick and we'll be right back. So I'm gonna quickly apply some foundation using the HAKE FUDE brush. And I'm gonna start from the center of the face, working my way to the perimeter. So now I'm using the Mara FUDE brush and I'm just gonna apply the Inner Glow cheek powder in the color Cocoa Dust just to add a little bit of an extra contour. And I really want this product just to really act as like a second shadow. I'm brushing this product right along Desi's cheekbone, a little bit underneath her jawline. And whenever I am contouring the jawline, you want to bring the product up just so everything blends nicely together. So in the photos, it looks great. And I'll put a little bit just right on the ears as well. I'm gonna put a little bit right onto your forehead. I'm just gonna create that nice halo effect. So now for one of my favorite products from the Shiseido collection, this is the Minimalist Whipped Powder Blush. So this is in the color Eiko 4. It's a nice bronzy color just because the eyes are very bronzy. I wanna keep the face very bronzy. I'm gonna do like more of like a nude lip. What's so cool about this is it's like a souffle. So I'm gonna apply this with my fingers. I'm gonna put a little bit onto the back of my palm first to kind of just melt the product onto the skin. And then I'm just gonna slowly just tap the product just right onto the apples of the cheeks. And by doing this is just gonna make the skin look nice and healthy and fresh. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of this darker eyeshadow from the Miyuki Street Nudes, and I'm using the NANAME FUDE brush. I'm gonna bring this and just blend out the bottom lash line so it looks nice and diffused. For our highlight, I'm gonna be using the Shiseido Aura Dew in the color Solar. So I'm gonna put this a little bit on the back of my palm. You guys can really see how it shimmer and shines.
Oh yes.
So I'm gonna put this just right onto the tip of the nose. Now I'm just gonna pack that product just right onto Desi's cheekbones. Bring that extra pop, you see? Last but not least, I want you to apply this.
He's trusting me to apply.
You are the talented YouTuber, so.
I love this color.
This is the color
It's 503.
Nude Streak in 503.
You okay with me doing this? What if I just whoosh?
This lipstick has an edge shape, so you can actually apply your lipstick without a lip liner and really get in there. So just because the eyes are a bit more dramatic, I want to keep the lips just a little bit more on the natural nudie side.
This is such a good color.
This is our final look, super golden, super smoky, super snatched.
This is the perfect smoky eye where it's like just enough smoke, but not too much. You know what I mean? Like I still feel fierce.
Fierce.
Yet youthful.
Yet useful.
You know what I mean?
We know what you mean.
Thank you so much to Patrick Ta for being on my channel. I love him so much. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget, tell them to give it a thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up, please.
Please. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you, I don't know about him, in the next video. Bye.
I'm gonna take,
Oopsie.
I'm back.
He's back.
Oh my god! I usually never get a tear when people do that. Oh my god!
You could have just told me you felt like I needed a shower.
Smokey.
Smokey. This is the perfect Smokey.